Amber Alert.
The civil authority has issued
Line it up,
an
Wolfie.
adoption emergency for the following counties or areas. Florida at 5:52 p.m. on John 29, 2020, effective until 7:52 p.m. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Josiah Brantley, a black male, 8 years old, 4 feet tall, 90 pounds, black hair and brown eyes, last seen in the area of the 2500 block of Holton Street in Tallahassee, Florida, who was last seen wearing a white tank top with orange shorts. The child may be in the company of Jasmine Brantley, a black female, 5 feet 4 inches tall, 140 pounds, black hair and brown eyes, and Damian Berman, a black male, 5 feet 11 inches tall, 180 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes. They may be traveling in a 2019 Black Dodge Journey, Florida tag number KCWB29. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Tallahassee Police Department at 850-891-4200 or 911.